Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about another periodic classification, Newland's octaves. John Alexander Rayner Newland was a British chemist. In 1864, he classified elements in groups of 8 known as Newland's octaves. He arranged elements in increasing order of their atomic masses such that every 8th element resembled the properties of the first element. That is, fluorine, which is the 8th element after hydrogen, resembled the properties of hydrogen. Similarly, sodium's properties were similar to that of lithium, and so on. This image shows Newland's octaves with 62 elements known at that time. They were classified into 8 groups with 7 elements in each group. Now let's see the limitations of Newland's octaves. Newland placed more than one element in the same slot in order to accommodate all the elements known at that time. For example, cobalt and nickel, platinum and iridium, etc. As you can see, there were no provisions made for undiscovered elements. Newland's law of octaves was applicable only to light elements up to calcium, after which the elements didn't strictly follow the Newland's rule. For example, cobalt and nickel, which were placed in the 8th position to chlorine, didn't have any similarity to fluorine or chlorine. At the same time, iron, which had similarities to cobalt and nickel, were placed away. With the discovery of noble gases, Newland's octaves couldn't be used to classify elements. The next major classification after Newland was Mendeleev's periodic table, which we will learn in our next video. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe. See you. Bye-bye.